Welcome to the second part of this tutorial. In this part I will explain the fitting window of DISEMM. After the first start, the window looks like this. On the right we find the added diffraction pattern in combined lists. By clicking on the little arrow, the list will open, showing all found regions with their respective 2 theta limits and chi-squares. A peak region contains all overlapping peaks to properly fit the parameters of all peaks at once. And below the peak regions there is another list currently empty. This list displays all regions currently in fitting, since DISEMM utilizes a thread pool to fit the regions parallel. Here on the bottom right there is a list containing the peaks in a selected peak region. In this case there is only one peak in this region. By selecting it, the corresponding parameters will be displayed here. These values define the background and cannot be constrained. The values on this side, on the other hand, may be constrained. The value may not be shifted more than the value given in the second text box. In order to activate the constraint fit, this text box must be checked for each parameter. It is also possible to not adjust parameters by deactivating the according checkboxes here. The 2 buttons below order DISEMM to refit the selected peak or region. It is important to note that refitting the peak alone in a region may lead to wrong results and should only be applied in rare cases. Refit region should be used commonly. This section of the window contains the plot of the data and its residuals below. The green line marks 1 sigma and the red 3 sigma. Now we arrived at the last part, which contains the region manipulation. To change the region, 2 steps are necessary. First, the desired action is selected from splitting the region, reselecting fitting data and insert peak. We will select the second one. Now the checkbox should be checked and we can select the new limits of the region. And by clicking Do Action, DISEMM applies the changes and refits the region. The other options are used in a similar manner. And now we have reached the end of this video. Thanks for watching.